Can you buy a barndominium with a VA loan? If you're thinking about a barndominium, a cabin, or a container home, can you use a VA loan for that? Let's talk about what's possible. Barndominiums and unique rural homes are more popular than ever. They offer space, flexibility, and that one-of-a-kind feel veterans love. But not every lender is ready to finance them. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, we'll talk about how you use your VA loan to build or buy a barndo, container home, or other rural construction, and the traps to avoid along the way. So what is a barndominium or a unique rural construction? Let's start with what we mean. A barndominium is a barn-style metal structure finished inside as a home, but this also includes container home, modular or hybrid cabin, log home, earth contact or passive solar designs. These aren't typical homes, but they can still qualify for VA loans if they meet the right guidelines. They're attractive to veterans because the land, the privacy, and the custom features, but financing, that can get a little bit tricky. What are the VA loan eligibility requirements for these? Well, here's what the VA actually says. They don't care what the home looks like on the outside. They care about whether it's safe, structurally sound, and sanitary. Is it built to code with appropriate permits? Is it appraisable with valid comps? That's a big one. And is it in a livable market condition? The home must also be classified as real property, not a vehicle or trailer, so no mobile home parks. Has to be located on land that's part of the sale and not have the land value outweigh the structure's value. So if it's a barndo on 40 acres and the house is worth 180, but the land is worth 300, that might be a problem. One of the biggest myths about VA loans and barndos, the VA doesn't allow them. That's one of the biggest myths, but it's not true. The VA doesn't ban barndominiums. They just require that they meet some of the same standards as traditional homes. It's your lender and appraiser that usually create the roadblocks. So quick story here. I helped a veteran get a finished barndo approved by working closely with the VA appraiser who found distant but similar comps. Another client of mine, he was told no by a big box lender, and he got approved with us because we knew how to handle that unique rural property. So using the VA loan is like traveling on a highway. It's efficient, powerful, and well marked, but you still need an on-ramp, and not every unique home starts with one. So there are some challenges and some workarounds. If you're planning to build or buy a unique rural home with a VA loan, here are the key issues to plan for. Number one, appraisals. Lack of comparable sales nearby makes it hard to value the property. Appraisers need at least 3 similar comps. This can be one of the biggest challenges. Number two, underwriting bias. Some lenders simply say no to barndominiums and container homes. They write overlays that go beyond the VA rules. So what are some of the solutions? Well, you can buy the land cash, then use the VA to build. You can build with conventional financing, then refinance to a VA loan, or work with a lender who's VA savvy and rural property friendly. It can be done, but it takes planning. So if you want to build a barndominium using your VA loan, we put together a special guide for veterans considering unique rural construction. It includes checklists, financing options, and success stories. You can download it now at valoanguy.us/barndo, or just click the link below. And if you've got questions about your specific situation, drop them in the comments or schedule a free strategy call. Because myself and my team, we help people with their VA loans, and we want to make your rural dreams come true. The VA loan might still be the best way for you to get it.